have like a visor wiper on the helmet. So like a windscreen wiper you have on the car, but for the visor. So that now I can turn it on and I won't get a wet visor. You will still get wet, but it can dry. It's better than me having to wipe my hand across it. Look, it's wet and dry. It's like shows some area. God was like wet there, but not there, and then there again. And here, not wet. Let's just wipe my visor. Ah, that was worth it. It started raining. Now it's really getting wet, man. I hope my dad is ready for me to get home. So he can open the garage so I can get in quick. I think he might be. I hope so. I really hope so. I hope they open the gate. We have a gate on driveway because we have a dog. We don't want the dog to just like take off and run away. That's why we have a gate. And you need to open that gate because I closed it so that the dog won't run away. But now I need to open it again so that I can get in. And if I had to do that, that's extra step. And that's a chance for me to get even more wet than I need to be. So it's not good. Hopefully though, my dad is ready. He's always ready. Almost. I think if he knows that it's raining and I'm outside riding, he's always thinking about it. And he's thinking like, I should be ready. And he can see where I'm at. He has like the Find My iPhone with friends on there, so he can find it and see where I'm at. And then he can see, okay, he's closing in on the house. And then he's gonna open the gate, I hope. Let's brake here because it's wet. I don't want to go take off to the that bit right there. Now I'm just rambling on. I think he was a learning driver. And now we do the wheelie. I can't do the wheelie. So I pretend I do the wheelie, but I don't do the wheelie. I really didn't wheelie. Wheelie, I can't wheelie. I should stop, man. It's getting ridiculous now. It's ridiculous how childish a man can be sometimes. And it stinks. It's ridiculous how much it can stink sometimes. It's like someone took a shit and put it inside my helmet. And it's not, you know, human shit. Human shit can be tolerable sometimes. But that shit, that was fucking disgusting, man. It's disgusting. Luckily, it's starting to wear out now. It doesn't stink as much. So that's good. Because I don't like when it stinks. I have missed this. Yeah, maybe I should do an intro. You can put this in the beginning of the video. What's up? That was so cringe, man. I'm not gonna do an intro because it was too cringe. Stopping at the stop sign. Here, it's not even raining here. Stoppy. I don't think I did a stoppy. I had to make sure that there wasn't any cars coming. You never know, it could be someone coming at an extremely high speed, you know, like Formula 1. And if you're not ready, then you're not ready, and then you might crash. And I don't want to crash. brake. Ah man. I already failed. So why should I try? Might as well go faster than the speed limit. I'm kidding, of course. I would never do that.